Yuto Horigome is a Japanese professional skateboarder. He is the first person to win a gold medal in skateboarding at the Olympics during the 2020 Summer Olympics. Horigome was born in Tokyo, Japan. He has two younger brothers. Horigome started skating when he was 7 years old. He started skating in the local Amazing Square Murasaki skate park in Tokyo, Japan. He went skating with his father, a former street skateboarder, who taught Horigome how to ride a skateboard. Since the age of 14, Horigome has been coming to the United States on several skate trips. Due to all the traveling, Horigome finished Japanese high school from a virtual online school. When in the United States, Horigome stays at friends' places, including pro skateboarder Mickey Papa, in Los Angeles, United States. Horigome stays in the United States in winter periods due to the cold season in Japan. Since Horigome's move to United States, he has been competing in numerous American skateboarding events such as Tampa M&Do Tour, as well as participating in filming parts. By an early age, Horigome got sponsored by a Japanese board company. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.